Private resort na good for 20 packs na may entertainment room at malaking pool. Tara, 30 minutes away lang from Quezon City. Yung mga kanoos, alam nyo ba ang nalaman ko? Kami nabadpad dito sa Upper Hill of Amityville, San Jose, Montalban, Rizal para mag-vacation sa kasarap na tanaw ang bundok, malinis na hangin at relaxing magstay. Yes, this is their swimming pool na perfect sa big groups, lalo na kung hanap nyo ay safe for kids at mag-enjoy din ang mga adults. Meron silang function hall area na may provided tables and chairs for your activities, fully equipped kitchen area on this side, may basic appliances, cooking wares at dining wares kaya pwede magluto. Meron ding comfort room dito sa ground floor. Pag-akyat sa second floor, dito located ang air-conditioned video kaya room na pwede kayo manood ng Netflix o kaya mag-video kay want to sawa. They have 3 air-conditioned bedrooms na hindi nyo akalain na ganito ang itsura. First has 1 queen-size bed, sofa at sariling CR na may bathtub. Second and third room has 2 queen-size beds naman na pangmaramihan. May common comfort room din dito sa second floor. May roof deck din sila na pwede pagtambayan na may overlooking view sa araw. May free wifi, may parking area and this is the rates for your reference. O ano pa hinihintay nyo? Tara na dito at mag-swimming at mag-staycation sa Kasarap sa Rizal. Let's go!